feeling hits. Maybe I just haven't let it sink in. For 3 years we were living together. Held me like you hold me forever. Didn't even think that heartbreak would feel like this. From everything to nothing at all. From every day to never at all. And everyone says that I should be sad. Is it normal that I don't feel sorry for myself? Care if your hands touch somebody else. Wouldn't get jealous if you're happy. It's okay if you forget me. I don't feel empty now that you're gone. This time it didn't mean nothing at all. But I'll tell you what the worst is. It's the way it doesn't hurt when I wish it did. Patience is the thing that I learned from you. That some things can feel wrong even though they're true.